Welcome to Explain the Charts, where we break down the news and chart data to help you understand the market. Today, September 26, 2024, we're going to take a deep dive into Microsoft stock. Recent news headlines surrounding Microsoft are indicating a positive outlook for the company. Microsoft has just announced a $60 billion share buyback plan, signaling confidence in its future growth. This buyback plan, coupled with a dividend increase, has sparked a surge in the stock price. Investors seem bullish on Microsoft's AI investments and its potential to capitalize on the growing AI market. However, some analysts are expressing concerns about Microsoft's reliance on NVIDIA for its AI advancements. These concerns are creating some uncertainty in the market, potentially leading to short-term price fluctuations. Taking a look at the daily chart, we can observe a clear uptrend in Microsoft over the past several months. The stock has been steadily climbing from its 52-week low of $309.45 in July 2024, reaching a 52-week high of $468.35 in July 2024. The recent share buyback announcement has created a noticeable spike in the price. It appears that the market is reacting positively to Microsoft's bullish stance. However, the stock is currently facing resistance around the $430 level, which may act as a barrier to further upside movement. If the price can break through this resistance, we could see a significant rally towards the $450 to $460 range. On the other hand, if the price fails to break through the $430 resistance, it may retrace to the $420 level, which has previously acted as support. Let's zoom in on the 1-hour chart to gain a more granular perspective on the recent price action. Here, we can see that the price has been consolidating around the $430 level, indicating a battle between buyers and sellers. The recent consolidation is likely a result of the conflicting news surrounding Microsoft's AI investments and its reliance on NVIDIA. If the price breaks out to the upside, we could see a quick move towards the $435 to $440 range. However, if the price breaks down to the downside, we might see a drop to the $425 to $420 level. The 1-hour chart is showing a lot of volatility, indicating that the market is still trying to find its direction. Switching back to the daily chart, we can see that the volume has been increasing recently, especially around the share buyback announcement. This surge in volume suggests that there is strong interest in the stock and could indicate a continuation of the uptrend. However, it's important to keep an eye on the volume going forward, as it could give us clues about the strength of the rally or the severity of a potential correction. Now let's take a look at the 15-minute chart to analyze the very short-term price action. On the 15-minute chart, we can see a lot of back and forth, with the price fluctuating around the $430 level. The volatility is likely driven by short-term trading activity and news flow. It's crucial to note that the 15-minute chart is very sensitive to market fluctuations and might not provide a clear indication of long-term trends. To gain a better understanding of the price action around the share buyback announcement, let's narrow down the 1-hour chart to the past 24 hours. This zoomed-in view will allow us to see how the price reacted to the news in detail. As we can see, the price spiked significantly immediately following the announcement, breaking through the $430 resistance level. This sharp upward movement suggests a strong bullish sentiment among investors. However, the price has been consolidating since then, indicating some hesitancy about its continued upward trajectory. The consolidation is likely a result of profit-taking by some investors and the concerns about Microsoft's reliance on NVIDIA. The volume also increased significantly during the spike, indicating a surge in trading activity. This suggests that many investors are actively participating in the market, potentially leading to further price fluctuations. The volume has since decreased, but it's still relatively high compared to the previous day. This indicates that the market is still active and could react quickly to any new developments. Looking back at the daily chart, we can see that the $420 level has acted as support for the stock in the past. This means that the price has found a floor at this level and has bounced back upwards on previous occasions. If the price retraces from the current resistance level, the $420 level could offer support again. However, if the price falls below $420, it could signal a shift in the market sentiment and lead to further downside movement. Returning to the 1-hour chart, we can identify some potential support and resistance levels in the short term. The $430 level is currently acting as a resistance level, but it could potentially turn into support if the price breaks through it. The $425 level is also a potential support level, as it has acted as a floor for the price in the past. On the upside, the $435 and $440 levels are potential resistance levels to watch. If the price can break through these resistance levels, it could signal a strong bullish momentum. In conclusion, Microsoft is currently showing a positive outlook, driven by Microsoft's share buyback plan and investor confidence in its AI investments. The price is facing resistance around the $430 level, which could act as a barrier to further upside movement. If the price breaks through this resistance, we could see a significant rally towards the $450 to $460 range. However, if the price fails to break through the $430 resistance, it may retrace to the $420 level, which has previously acted as support. In the short term, the price is consolidating around the $430 level, indicating a battle between buyers and sellers. The $430 level could potentially turn into support if the price breaks through it. The $425 level is also a potential support level, as it has acted as a floor for the price in the past. On the upside, the $435 and $440 levels are potential resistance levels to watch. If the price can break through these resistance levels, it could signal a strong bullish momentum. It's crucial to keep an eye on the volume going forward, as it could give us clues about the strength of the rally or the severity of a potential correction. Overall, Microsoft is a stock to watch closely, as the market is still trying to find its direction. The news and chart data suggest that there is potential for both upside and downside movement, so it's essential to stay informed and make your trading decisions based on a careful analysis of the market conditions.